In this video, you will learn how to apply an outside border to a paragraph in Word. First, select the paragraph that you want to format, or simply click anywhere inside the paragraph if you only want to format that one paragraph. Go to the Home tab, click the Borders drop-down arrow in the Paragraph group, and choose Outside Borders to instantly place a border around your paragraph. If you want more control, open Borders and Shading from the same menu. Here, you can choose a different border style, line color, and border width, then make sure Apply To is set to Paragraph before clicking OK. If you want to make the paragraph stand out even more, switch to the Shading tab in the same window and choose a fill color to add a background inside the border. You can also select a pattern style and pattern color to create a textured effect. To increase the space between the text and the border so it doesn't look cramped, go back to the Borders tab, click Options, and adjust the spacing from the text. If you want a softer background, simply choose a lighter fill color because Microsoft Word doesn't provide an opacity slider for paragraph shading. Also, keep in mind that Word supports solid colors and pattern fills for paragraph shading, but it does not support gradient backgrounds inside paragraph borders. That's it. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe.